RPA Research Project. Group number 1, Roberto Molina, Yesenia Rosales, Carlos Chiminio, Monique Falk. What is RPA? RPA is an acronym for Robotic Process Automation. It is a software technology that makes it easy to build, deploy, and manage software robots that emulate humans' actions, that interact with digital systems and software. It is commonly referred to as software robotics. RPA performs tasks on a computer like a human would, such as clicking, typing, or opening applications, and it even can use keyboard shortcuts. Can an SME take advantage of RPA to improve its competitiveness? Processes defined clearly can allow RPA to work indefectible and take advantage of automation and less human involvement. This can assist SMEs to have a firm grip on processes and improve business functions. RPA can allow personal costs to be reduced. Access to RPA can be anytime with higher productivity, quality, and more accuracy. When human involvement is needed, it can be directed to an assigned staff member. SMEs can also keep track of the need for staffing to provide higher profit percentages and higher productivity when allocating resources properly.
RPA provides quality output with faster turnaround times for a customer or vendor. Improving the customer experience can ensure excellent customer service and customer retention for services or products offered. SMEs can achieve growth, longevity, and profitability to keep a competitive edge in their particular business sector. Leveraging the instruments available, which boost staff productivity and lower cost, SMEs can appreciate an increased operating capability while providing an exceptional customer service. An example of how SMEs can take advantage of RPA utilization using a system process is contract management. This involves digitally storing data to improve contract visibility, improve document oversight, and improve accessibility. Contract management software assists to boost efficiency, whereas the contract management software, when incorporated with RPA, will be capable to automate tasks like approvals, renewals, and reports. This results in quicker cycles and increased productivity, facilitating the process to be easily operated from start to finish and prepared for human involvement. Will RPA replace the majority of white-collar work, just like robots replacing blue-collar work? It's tough to say, but with the way the workplace and the workforce continue to evolve every year, with technology on the rise, more and more jobs are being replaced by RPA. There are reports that by the year 2025, up to 85 million jobs could be replaced by AI.
Part 2, the practice applying RPA to an existing business process. The business process for loan processing before and after the RPA implementation. Cal Credit Union needed a way to more efficiently provide loan decisions. The goal was to provide approvals as quickly as possible while managing the administrative costs associated with hiring more employee staff. It was decided that the company would implement a robotic process automation or RPA to assist with the application process. Before system-generated decisions, prior to the RPA program that allowed for automated decisions, every application submitted to the Cal Credit Union, the process was as follows. The application was submitted. The application is reviewed by an in-house underwriter to provide a decision of approval, decline, or review. If the decision is approved, the application is assigned to a lending officer to contact member and collect the needed documents to complete the application. If the application is declined, it's assigned to a lending officer to inform client of denial. If the application was for review, the application is assigned to a lending officer to contact the client with additional questions needed to make the final decision. After system-generated decisions, the RPA program that allow for automated decisions, every application submitted to Cal Credit Union, the process changed as follows. Application submitted. Then the application is sent through a system-generated engine that analyzes the application based on a set of parameters provided by Cal Credit Union underwriting and senior management team to provide a decision of approval, decline, or review. Approved, the decision provided to the applicant directly, and the loan officer is only needed upon request of the applicant for additional questions. Declined, the application is declined and the applicant is notified immediately. And if the application is in review, the application is assigned to a lending officer to contact the client with additional questions to make the final decision. The
So the pros and
RPA
cons-
impact.
I'm sorry. So for the pros and cons of the RPA impacted for the credit union, some advantages would be saving costs on additional employees, ability to provide quicker decision responses, allowing for a competitive advantage, minimizes human error. And for the disadvantages, we got false approvals and decline, and clients who complain because of the decline and being contacted by a credit union representative to discuss the application/decision. In conclusion, RPAs can be beneficial in many ways, in most cases for a business bottom line. It creates more efficiency, less employee costs, quicker turnaround times. And on the other hand, it can draw humans away from much needed interaction that is initially needed. Moving forward with RPAs, this will create more seamless operational environment with minimal error.